The feasibility study came about because rural communities came to us and said, look, we've got money to do a project. We do projects with different areas, and one of those areas that they did explore is how local would we class local. So we had a discussion with Rhys at Tangloes, and we spoke about what they were, what their ethos was as a company. It just fitted really, really well.
I'm really passionate about local supply chains. They're really good for local communities, good for the environment, and they're good for the economy as well. So, for example, here, so we're bottling the milk on the farm, so there's 0 food miles between primary production and processing, and then we've got 10 refrigerated vans on the road that take our local produce no more than half an hour from the farm. So it's very, very low food miles, low carbon footprint, and that's backed up on the farm here by really sustainable farming systems. And as part of our offer to the schools and to the nursery settings, we offer the chance for children to come here to the farm, to meet the cows that produce their milk, and have a fun-filled, information-packed 2-hour farm tour to teach them all about milk production and dairy farming.
I mean, the main benefits really from the Big Fresh perspective is the fact that we know where it's coming from. We know that it's all done on one site. We know it's fresh, we know it's local. There's money going back into the local economy, and the way that they can interact with the schools as well. You know, they're open to having educational visits, which work really, really well. I think what we've learned really is just look what's around you as a local area. It's a case of wanting to do the best for the children and give them the best produce. So if you keep that in mind, you know, the ideas will start flowing.